Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream in Beverly Hills, Kingston 6. This spacious house has 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. It's a home for individuals that enjoys their own space. It's also a home for entertainment with its expansive open concept living areas and in-room bar for family and friends to unwind. The kitchen has a cozy breakfast nook and butler's pantry, which offers unseen passage to the dining space. On the upper floor lies the primary bedroom suite with its wooden floors and high ceilings that spells comfort. Also, on that floor is the second bedroom with ensuite bathroom and a shared patio with delightful mountain views. The ground floor is sweeping and contains the other 2 bedrooms, powder room, separate living room with bar, dining room, kitchen, pantry, etc. The views of the city and the mountains are unmatched, along with the generous, well-fruited garden where the pool calls you to take a dip. The pool house has a cute bar and a chic water closet and offers plenty space to sunbathe and relax under its shade. Being close to top-rated schools, trendy shops, and gourmet restaurants, this residence is more than a house, it's a home. Call today and make arrangements to view this beauty. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 4,300 or Jamaican $661.8 thousand. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.